Hello, everyone. This is Lisa, and this is World Wheelchair Warriors. And we are not a medical channel. We talk more about resources, we talk about tips, we talk about ideas, we talk about anything that's psychosocial, uh, behavioral health, maybe. So, suggestions for behavioral health. I have a background in social work, so I look at those psychosocial aspects so that you have tools to work with in terms of your wheelchair, in terms of people going out in public, all those kind of things. So, welcome, and I hope you enjoy the channel.